Find the orthocenter of the triangle. If the equations of the sides of a triangle are 7x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0, x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0, and x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. What is the sides? 7x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0, x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0, and x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Find the orthocenter of the triangle. Find the orthocenter of the triangle. Previous problems is the directly vertices. This problems is the sides of the triangle. Let the sides of the triangle ABC is 7x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. Equation number 1. X minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Equation number 2. X plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Equation number 3. First we find the, what is the find out? Vertices of the triangle. First we find the vertices of the triangle. Equation number 1, 2, 3. Equation number 1, 2. The sides is the 7x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. X minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. X plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. First we find the vertices of the triangle. How is it find the vertices? Solve 1 and 2, we get the vertices A. Solve 2 and 3, we get the vertices B. Solve 3 and 1, we get the vertices C. Next remaining process is the same. First solve 1 and 2. 1 and 2. First we write the y coefficient. What is the y coefficient? 1. The constant is minus 10. X coefficient is 7. Y coefficient is 1. Next y coefficient is minus 2. Constant is 5. X coefficient is 1. Y coefficient is minus 2. First we write the x by 1 into 5, 5. Minus into minus plus. Next formula is also minus. Minus 20 is equal to y by 10 into minus 1, minus 10. 7 5 ja 35. 1 by minus 7 2 ja 14, minus 1. X by minus 15 is equal to y by 45 is equal to 1 by minus 15. 15 1 ja, 15 3 ja, 15 1 ja. All minus are cancel. X by 1 is equal to y by 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, A 1 comma 3. What is the vertices A? 1 comma 3. Next, solve 2 and 3. Solve 2 and 3. We get the vertices of the B. What is the second equation? Y coefficient is the minus 2. Constant is 5. X coefficient is 1. Y coefficient is minus 2. Third equation, y coefficient is 1, constant is 2, x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is 1. X by 2 into 2 minus 4, 1 into 5 minus 5, y by 5 1 ja 5, 2 1 ja 2, 1 by 1 into 1 1 minus into minus plus x by minus 4 minus 5 how much minus 9 y by 5 minus 2 3 1 by 1 plus 2 3 3 1 ja 3 1 ja 3 3 ja x by minus 3 is equal to y by 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, what is the vertices? B is equal to 3 into 1 minus 3 comma 1. What is the vertices B? Minus 3 comma 1. Okay. Next, solve 3 and 1. What is the third equation? Y coefficient is 1, constant is 2, x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is 1. Next, y coefficient is first equation. What is the y coefficient? 1 minus 10. Next, 7, 1. 7, 1. X by 1 into minus 10, minus 10. 2 into minus 1, minus 2, y by 2 7 ja 14 minus into minus plus is equal to 1 into 1 1 7 into 1 minus 7 x by minus 12 is equal to y by 24 is equal to 1 by minus 6 minus 10 minus 2 minus 12 14 plus 10 24 1 minus 7 minus 6 6 1 ja 6 4 ja 6 2 ja. What is the 6 4 ja 24 6 2 ja 12 x by minus 2 is equal to y by 4 is equal to minus 1. Therefore C is equal to minus minus cancel అయితే ఏం మిగులుతుంది 2 4 into minus 1 4. What is the vertices C? 2 comma minus 4. We get the vertices of A is equal to 1 comma 3, B is equal to minus 3 comma 1, C is equal to 2 comma 4. First we find the slope of BC. Slope of BC. Next, also we find the slope of AC. Slope of AC. First, what is the slope of BC? Is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What is the BC? y2 is the minus 4, y1 is the 1, minus 4 minus 1 by 2, minus into minus plus, x2 is the 2, y2 is the minus, x1 is the minus 3, minus into minus plus, minus 4 minus 1 is equal to minus 5 by 5 is equal to minus 1. Next, since BC is perpendicular to AD, BC is perpendicular to AD, the slope of AD is equal to minus 1 by slope of BC is equal to minus 1 by, what is the slope of BC? Minus 1, minus minus cancel, we get slope 1 is equal to 1. Next, the slope of AB is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What is the slope of AB? What is the vertices? A 1 comma 3, B minus 3 comma 1, x2 y2, x1 y1. What is the y2? 1. What is the y1? Minus 3 by, what is the x2? Minus 3. What is the x1? Minus 1. 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Minus 3 minus 1 is equal to minus 4. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja is equal to 1/2. Since AB is perpendicular to CF. AB is perpendicular to CF. The slope of CF is equal to -1 by slope of AB. What is the slope of AB? 1/2 is equal to -2. First we find the AD, the equation of AD is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. What is the slope of AD is equal to 1. Next, A, what is the vertices of A? 1, 3. What is the vertices of A? 1, 3 is equal to y minus, what is the y1 is equal to 3, 1 into x minus, what is the x1 is equal to 1, y minus 3 is equal to x minus 1 goes to right side, x minus y minus 3 goes to right side, plus 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Equation number 4. The slope of, next, the equation of CF. The equation of CF is equal to y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. What is the m is equal to? Slope of m is equal to -2. Next, the point of vertices of C is equal to 2, -4. 2, -4. Y minus into minus plus 4. -2 into x minus 2. Y plus 4 is equal to -2 into x how much? -2x. Minus into minus plus 2 2 ja 4. -2x goes to left side is positive. 2x plus 5, 4 is the cancel is equal to 0. Equation number 5. Y is equal to how much? Solve 4 and 5. First, fourth equation y coefficient is how much? -1. Constant is the 2. X coefficient is how much? 1. Y coefficient is how much? -1. The fifth equation is y coefficient is how much? 1. Constant is not there. It is arranged 0. X coefficient is 2. Y coefficient is 1. X by -1 into 0 how much? 0. -1 into 2 how much? 2. Y by 2 2 ja 4. 0 into how much? 0. Next, 1 by 1 minus into minus plus x by -2 is equal to y by 4 is equal to 1 plus 3 how much? 1 plus 2 how much? 3. 1 plus 2 how much? 3. X by -2 is equal to 1 by 3. Y by 4 is equal to 1 by 3. X is equal to -2 by 3. Y is equal to 4 by 3. Therefore, x comma y is equal to -2 by 3 comma 4 by 3 is the orthocenter of the triangle. Very, very important problem. First, once again listen it. First, if the equations of the triangles, the sides of the triangle is there, 7x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0, x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0, x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Find the orthocenter. Let the sides of the triangle ABC. First time తీసుకుంటున్నాం. The triangle యొక్క sides ABC ఏమి ఇచ్చిండు? 7x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0, x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0, x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Equation number 1, equation 2, equation 3. First, Draw the triangle ABC. Draw the triangle ABC. The side 1, 2, 3. Solve 1 and 2. We get the vertices A. Solve 2 and 3. We get the vertices B. Solve 3 and 1. We get the vertices C. We get the vertices C. Use the cross multiplication method. We find the vertices. Use the cross multiplication. We find the vertices. A is equal to how much? 1 comma 3. B is equal to minus 3 comma 1. C is equal to 2 comma minus 4. First part is the completed. Next we draw the altitudes AD and BE and CF. Next step is the draw the altitudes AD, BE, CF. First, next find out the slope of BC. So what is the slope of the 2 points? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. The slope of BC is perpendicular to always AD. What is the altitude? Perpendicular vertex to the opposite side of the perpendicular is called the altitude. AD, BC. What is the minus 3 comma 1? Next, what is the slope of BC is equal to minus 1. AD is perpendicular. The slope of AD is equal to 1. Similarly, the slope of AB is equal to 1 by 2. AB is perpendicular to CF. The slope of CF is equal to minus 1 by 1 by 2 is equal to minus 2. The equation of AD is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Equation number 4. Equation number 5. Solve the 4 and 5. We get the orthocenter of the triangle. We get the orthocenter of the triangle. Very, very important question. Annual exam. Find the orthocenter or circumcenter of the triangle. One of the compulsorily 7 marks question. Next homework. Find the orthocenter of the triangle whose sides are x plus 2y is equal to 0. Next 4x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. And 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Find the orthocenter of the triangle whose sides are, what is the sides? X plus 2y is equal to 0. 4x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. Next 3x plus y is equal to 0. First we write let the sides of the triangle ABC is x plus 2y is equal to 0. Equation number 1. 4x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. Equation number 2. 3x plus y is equal to 0. Equation number 3. Draw the triangle ABC. First 1, 2, 3. Find the solve 1 and 2. We get the vertices A. 2 and 3, we get the vertices B. 3 and 1, we get the vertices C. Next, we draw the altitudes of the triangle. Altitudes of the triangle. Altitudes of the triangle DEF. DEF. Slope of BC. Slope of BC. BC is perpendicular to AD. Slope of AD. Find the equation of AD. Find the equation of CF. For solve 4 and 5. We get the orthocenter of the triangle. Tomorrow must and should be send these 3 problems, 4 problems and previous problems is the circumcenter of the triangle. Send my WhatsApp number 9392378597. Must and should be send the homework problems, otherwise it is the next continuation classes is the absent.